Hey, what's up guys? This is John Steffen here with Steffen Woodworking LLC. I'd like to welcome you guys to my very first YouTube video. With that being said, for about a couple minutes, I would like to tell you guys about what my plans are with this channel. And my main thing is I just kind of want you guys to follow me on the journey of taking my hobby and turning it into a business. Because for about a couple years now, I've tried this as a hobby and I haven't really been too successful. I've made some money here and there, but not too much. There's not very many videos of these guys taking their hobby to a business. You don't really see that process. You just mainly see these high dollar shops with these big old equipment that is $3,000–4,000 a piece. You don't really see the startup of that. With that being said, where I'm sitting at right now, this is my shop. It's just underneath a deck with a concrete floor. In my equipment is just hand-me-down equipment or equipment I bought from yard sales and bought along the way. And I plan on changing that actually because I want to show you guys that you guys can turn this into a business. And I like to take the money I make, the profit from my projects, and upgrade my equipment and possibly buy some kind of a shed or a portable building that I can use for my shop so I can be more efficient. As far as projects, I would like to take you guys on show you guys some projects I plan on making. Over here to my left, I got a cedar bench I'll be working on for a client. It's something different than I'm used to. The design is a little different than I'm used to. It's turned out pretty good. Here to my right, I got some boards here. The boards are actually a flooring from a basketball court from a old high school near me. I don't really know what I want to do with them yet. Even if I did, I wouldn't share it because I want you guys to come back and check it out because I have some really good ideas for them. And I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed this by now, but this is actually a cedar shotgun I carved out about a couple years ago. It's definitely a conversation piece, and that's another thing is when you're in woodworking, you want to be different than everybody. You want to be somebody that stands out from everybody. You don't want to be ordinary Joe. You want to be somebody different. So with that being said, I just really want you guys to follow me on the journey of growing my business into something bigger. You may be in the same situation where you just have a hobby that you want to turn into more of a side hustle and you don't know how to do it. Well, I like to help you guys with that. So with that being said, definitely give my channel a subscribe and give it a like because I'm pretty sure there'll be some very good information for you. So thanks for joining in and hope you guys have a good rest of your evening. God bless.